Yo, welcome guys. Today we'll be going to Taveuni on board the Lady Daya. So it's been long since I've go back to Taveuni, and it'll be an enjoyable trip. Yeah, so today is part of our trip. We'll be heading off to Taveuni, me and Mrs. Just to meet up some of the relatives. And it's been long since we've seen our relatives in Taveuni. It's going to be, I think the boat will be leaving around 6 p.m. and we'll be arriving early morning the next day. And so I hope you enjoy the vlog, and I hope you take along. And I'll see you later. From the hidden paradise of Fiji. So we just arrived in Savo. So we're having a 2 hours break here, and we'll continue the journey to Taveuni, the Garden Island, Fiji. So yeah, I'm in Savo now. The boat is just loading the passengers up from Savo, heading to Taveuni. So what a beautiful sight, beautiful morning here in the hidden paradise of Fiji, Savo. just about to arrive in Taveuni now. As you can see, there's one more level there, and Taveuni is over there. So it's not far away, but it took us 4 hours from Sabsabu heading to Taveuni. Weather is good, weather is nice, sea is calm, and hope you enjoy these 3 days with me in Taveuni. See you later.
Somo village. Today we're just doing a morning walk and just coming to see the family. I think they're still asleep and it's a beautiful day today. And today we'll be going up to the water pools. So nice, cool weather this morning. Auntie Maria, frying some chips.
Wow.
Say hi to Fine.
Hi, Lewa.
Welcome to the slide, guys. Can't wait to dip in. See you later. Untuk isaram na YouTube.
Our day was great, now it's time to go home. It's getting late, we've laughed and played under the sun. Goodbye for now, our day is done.